Jinja Invalid Filter. Filter is built in. I have read through the Jinja documentation and am using the truncate filter. I have used it exactly as defined in the documentation. From the docs. Truncate s, length equals 255, killwords equals false, and equals, leeway equals none, return a truncated copy of the string. The length is specified with the first parameter which defaults to 255. If the second parameter is true, the filter will cut the text at length. Otherwise it will discard the last word. If the text was in fact truncated, it will append an ellipsis sign. If you want a different ellipsis sign, then you can specify it using the third parameter. Strings that only exceed the length by the tolerance margin given in the fourth parameter will not be truncated. Here is my code. I get the following traceback after testing. What am I doing wrong?
You are quite simply not using Jinja. You are using the Django template language. Django's built-in filters are documented here. The filter that truncates strings is called truncate-chars. You also need to use Django syntax to pass the parameters to the filter.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.